Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get a summary of your sources in NotebookLM. So when you've got your sources for your notebook, and this would especially be true if you used the Discover Sources feature. If you added your own stuff and it's stuff you're already familiar with, this wouldn't be as important. But since I did use Discover the Sources to generate these sources, I actually have no idea what is contained in these sources. So if I click on one of these, it's going to open up this panel, it's going to enlarge it, and it's going to give me a summary of what is in that particular source. Right? So without reading the whole thing, I can just read this. The author strongly criticizes the factory model of education metaphor, arguing it's been used as lazy rhetoric, and so on and so forth. I get a good summary of what that source material is saying. In fact, it actually will show me the contents of the entire source. So if I want to read it, I can read it in this panel. I don't have to pop it up somewhere online to read it. I can even close this when I'm done, and I can pop it out into a large window. This will open it online, and I can read it here. So once I've got that source, I actually have a few options for how I can better understand what material is in that source to begin with. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.